In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reduce customer acquisition cost, Klaviyo. The main idea here is simple. You want your ad platforms to learn from your best customers, so you can find more people like them. In Klaviyo, one of the quickest ways to do that is by building a segment of high lifetime value customers and syncing that segment to Facebook or Google Ads. This helps you focus your spend on higher quality audiences, which can lower your customer acquisition cost over time. First, log into Klaviyo and go to the Audience area. From there, open Lists and Segments. This is where Klaviyo lets you organize people based on behavior, value, and other traits. Once you are on that page, choose to create a new list, then select Segment. A segment is dynamic, meaning it updates automatically as people qualify or stop qualifying, which makes it ideal for ad targeting. Now you will define the conditions for the segment. Look for the option related to someone's proximity to a segment. This lets you build a segment based on whether someone belongs to another segment that Klaviyo already provides. For the segment you want, set the condition to is in, and then choose High LTV, which is a Klaviyo default segment for high lifetime value customers. This is important because it groups people who have proven they purchase more often, or generate more total revenue. After you confirm that condition, click Create Segment. Give it a clear name so you can find it later when you are connecting it to advertising tools. Next, go to Integrations and choose either Facebook or Google Ads depending on where you run campaigns. Inside that integration, you will sync the high LTV segment to your ad account. This sync allows the ad platform to build custom audiences and in many cases create lookalike or similar audiences based on your top customers. That improves targeting efficiency and reduces wasted spend. Finally, click Save Settings to lock everything in. Give the sync a little time to process, especially if the segment is large, and then use that audience in your campaigns. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.